Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to start new chapter number 17, that is construction of quadrilaterals. So in this chapter we have to construct quadrilateral with the help of geometrical apparatus, that is compass, scale, pencil. So see question number 1 in exercise 17a. So in question 1 exercise 17a, this we have given question number 1. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equals to 4.2 centimeter, BC equals to 6 centimeter, CD equals to 5.2 centimeter, DA equals to 5 centimeter and AC equals to 8 centimeter. So we have to construct this quadrilateral with the help of geometrical constructions apparatus. So first of all we will write here steps of construction also. So in this solution the given quadrilateral ABCD can be drawn by the following steps. So we have to follow these steps for making this quadrilateral. So step number 1, draw a line AB equals to 4.2 centimeter. So here we have to draw this line AB, that is equals to 4.2 centimeter. After this we have to make here after making this we have to make this AB, and after making this AB with the help of scale, then here step number 2, with A as center and radius 8 centimeter and arc. So here we have to take A as center. So by taking A as center we have to cut an arc of radius 8 centimeter. So with the help of compass, by taking this A as center, and we have to cut an arc here of 8 centimeter. Now similarly from that point B we have to cut an arc 6 centimeter, and from this point A we have to cut an arc of 5 centimeter, and from this point C. After this we can join these two lines. These lines will be joined. So after joining these lines from this point C, we can cut an arc at point D of 5.2 centimeter. So in this way we can draw this quadrilateral. So watching these steps of construction, in step number 1, draw a line AB equals to 4.2 centimeter. Then step 2, with A as center and radius equals to 8 centimeter, draw an arc. Then step 3, with B as center and radius 6 centimeter, draw another arc cutting previous arc. Now label this point as C. Then step 4, join BC. Now step 5, with A as the center and radius equals to 5 centimeter, draw an arc. Then step 6, with C as center and radius equals to 5.2 centimeter, draw another arc cutting previous arc. So label this point as D. Now last step, that is step number 7, join CD and AD. So finally we have to join this CD and AD. After joining, this quadrilateral will be complete. So in this way we have to make this quadrilateral with the help of pencil, compass and scale. And you have to write steps of construction also. So after this, see next question. Now see question number 2. In question number 2 we have construct a quadrilateral PQRS in which PQ equals to 5.4 centimeter, QR equals to 4.6 centimeter, RS equals to 4.3 centimeter, SP equals to 3.5 centimeter and diagonal PR equals to 4 centimeter. Now in this steps of construction, so the given quadrilateral PQRS can be drawn by the following step. So here first step, draw a line PR equals to 4 centimeter. So this line is PR. So this will be 4 centimeter. Then with P as center, draw an arc of 5.4 centimeter. Then taking this point P as center, we have to cut an arc of 5.4 centimeter with the help of compass and pencil. Now then step 3, with 4.6 centimeter as radius, cut the arc drawn in step 2 and point the intersection as Q. Now from this point R, we have to cut an arc of 4.6 centimeter. From this point R, we have to cut another arc that is 4.6 centimeter, and from point P, we have to cut an arc of 5.4 centimeter. Then we can join this PQ and QR. Now next step, with 4.6 centimeter as radius, cut a arc in step 2 and point of intersection Q and join PQ, and finally we have to join PQ also. Then draw another arc from P with 3.5 centimeter radius opposite to side PR. So here from point P we have to cut another arc 3.5 centimeter, and from this point R we have to cut an arc of 4.3 centimeter. Then we can join these two lines, that is PS and RS. So in this way we can complete this quadrilateral. So this quadrilateral will be completed in this way. So you can try this question also. Now after this, see next question. So in question number 3 we have given, construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equals to 3.5 centimeter, BC equals to 3.8 centimeter, CD equals to DA equals to 4.5 centimeter, and diagonal BD equals to 5.6 centimeter. So solution, the given quadrilateral ABCD can be drawn by the following steps. So by using following steps we can draw this quadrilateral. So first step, draw a line BD equals to 5.6 centimeter. So first of all we will draw this line BD, that is equals to 5.6 centimeter. This line will be 5.6 centimeter. So 5.6 centimeter. Then step 2, with B as center, draw an arc of 3.5 centimeter. From B as center we have to cut an arc of 3.5 centimeter. Then with 4.5 centimeter as radius, cut the arc drawn in step 2. Then point the intersection is A. So from point D we have to cut another arc of 4.5 centimeter by cutting these two arcs. So by cutting these two arcs, we have to, the point where this point intersect, we have to name it as A. Then we have to join this AB and AD. Now similarly from point B as center, we have to cut another arc of 3.8 centimeter, and from D as center we have to cut another arc of 4.5 centimeter. Then we have to join this C and CD and BC. So in this way we can complete this quadrilateral ABCD also. So in this way this quadrilateral will also completed. Now after this, the next question. Now in question number 4, construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equals to 3.6 centimeter, BC equals to 3.3 centimeter, AD equals to 2.7 centimeter, diagonal AC equals to 4.6 centimeter, and diagonal BD equals to 4 centimeter. So in this we have given diagonals and side AB, BC. So here diagonal BD is 4 centimeter. So in this solution the given quadrilateral ABCD can be drawn by following steps. So step number 1, draw a line AB equals to 3.6 centimeter. So first of all we will draw this line AB 3.6 centimeter. Then step 2, with 4.6 centimeter from A, draw an arc. So from this point we have to draw a point of 3.6 centimeter. So here we have to draw another arc 4.6 centimeter. So taking A as center, we have to cut another arc here as 4.6 centimeter. From this point we can cut this, it will be 4.6 centimeter. Then next step, from B, take radius 3.3 centimeter and cut the arc drawn in step 2, and then point the intersection as C. Then we have to cut another arc from point B, that is equals to 3.3 centimeter. From here we have to cut 3.3 centimeter, and this distance was here 4.6 centimeter. Now by cutting these 2 points we have to join BC and AC. Then from B take 4 centimeter, then from this B we have to cut an arc 4 centimeter, and from A we have to cut an arc 2.7 centimeter. Then we have to join them. So by joining this ABCD quadrilateral will be constructed. So in this way we have to construct this quadrilateral ABCD. Now after this, see next question. So in question number 6, here we have construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equals to 3.4 centimeter, CD equals to 3 centimeter, DA equals to 5.7 centimeter, AC equals to 8 centimeter, and BD equal to 4 centimeter. So in solution, the given quadrilateral ABCD can be drawn by the following step. So first step, draw a line BD equal to 4 centimeter. So first of all we will draw this line BD equals to 4 centimeter. Then step 2, draw an arc of 3.4 centimeter from B. Then from point B, from this point B we have to cut an arc at point A 3.4 centimeter. So with the scale we will take this distance 3.4 centimeter and we will cut here. Now after this, take D, from D take radius 5.7 centimeter and cut the arc drawn in step 2. So from point D we have to take a distance of 5.7 centimeter from this point D, and then we will cut this point. After cutting we have to join this AB and AD. So after joining these 2 points, then from point D, from this point D we have to cut an arc at point C and of 3 centimeter. So this arc will be of 3 centimeter. Now after this, from point A we have to cut an arc of 8 centimeter. Then we have to join CD and AC. So by joining CD and AC we can complete this quadrilateral also. So in this way quadrilateral ABCD will also completed. So in this way you have to do all these questions in this exercise. So by completing this exercise we have to start next exercise also. So in this you have to use your apparatus, geometrical apparatus, as well as your pencil scale. So please complete this exercise. So all of you, thank you for watching this video, and all of you have a nice day.